Hello, my name is Adeze UC. On this platform, I discuss the following topics: successful online businesses to earn money, tips, tricks, and strategies for choosing the right online business for yourself, how to create and sell digital products online, ways to make money with digital skills, how to develop and make money with writing skills, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial motivation and stories of successful people. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to save your relationship or marriage. My name is Adeze UC, and please do not forget to follow me on my social media. Wherever you are seeing this video, it can be on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. And do not also forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, let's go. So the first thing you are going to do is go over to Google and type chat.openai.com. So when the page opens, if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. When you click on sign up, put your details and all that. Then if you have an account, just log in. So I will have to log in. So here we are. Let's assume you are having issue with your partner, maybe your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or your husband. Okay, let me say boyfriend or girlfriend. And the person said it's over. This relationship, we cannot continue again. It's over. And why is it over? Maybe because you provoked the person. You can go to ChatGPT, log in, and type, create me an apology message. An apology message to stop my man from breaking up with me. So here we are. ChatGPT is already doing the work. So this is it, an apology message from the bottom of my heart. Aww. So now, dear, you know the name of the person. For instance, dear Emeka, or dear okay, or Yangas. Yes, dear okay. Dear okay, or any name. Okay, sorry. So I hope this message finds you well. Although I suspect that recent events have left you feeling hurt, frustrated, and unsure about the future of our relationship. I write this letter with a heavy heart filled with remorse and a sincere desire to make amends for the mistake I have made. All right, and so on and so forth. It goes on. I apologize for not being attentive enough to your need. Just read, okay? So now the next one is, for instance, you do not know how to cook for your man. Maybe you visited this particular person you do not know. You can decide to ask ChatGPT. Highlight how to cook a delicious, which soup am I going to? A delicious what? Which soup are we talking about? Okay, let's say fried rice. So any food you want to cook, just input it there. How to cook a delicious fried rice for my man. God, I beg you. So this is it. It gives you the process. All right, cooking a scrumptious fried dish for your man can be a wonderful way to show your love. Yes, so here are the ingredients. Okay, it gives me a list of the ingredients needed, and now it gives me the process. Okay, it gives me the process. Okay, the next one, how to ask a man out and I won't feel sad if he says no. Okay, we are going to be looking at this. So now it gives me a guide on how to approach a man, and even though the man says no to me, and I won't feel bad about it. So the last one I want to look at before I go, how to say I love you too. How to say I love you to my woman. Let me use woman. How to say I love you to my woman. So it gives me list on how I can do that, how you can, everything, how to tell the woman you love her. Okay, the last one, create romantic good night messages. For my man or for my crush. Let me use crush. This is serious. Okay, see sweet messages. Here I come. As the star begins to twinkle in the night sky, I can't help but think of you. Good night, my crush. Oh. The second one, as the day comes to a close, I want you to know that you have been on my mind. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Let me tell ChatGPT to make me feel good. Tell me something good. Okay, tell me something sweet about me. Let me see what ChatGPT will do about this. Oh, so ChatGPT is writing about me. It says you have a captivating presence that radiates warmth and kindness. Your genuineness, your genuine smile, and the way you carry yourself brighten the days of those around you. All right, I have come to the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, if you find it useful, please share with others. Okay, don't keep it to yourself. Let's share value with others, and do not forget to follow me on my social media account, either Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting, educative, and informative videos. All right, see you in my next video, and please turn on the notification button because I am going to be dropping a very interesting video. See you. Bye.